Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the coolest and most family friendly activities in the UAE. Today we are at one of the most exciting spots for a night out in Dubai, Topgolf. This is a global sensation that started in the UK back in 2000, combining technology, sports and entertainment. Is golf still a gentleman's sport? Not anymore. Topgolf Dubai is fun, energetic and perfect for everyone. Here's a fun fact. Ever wondered how they collect all the balls? Just check this out. These machines roam the ground picking up all the balls. No chasing balls around here, just hit, relax and enjoy. Whether you're looking for a unique night out or just want to try something new, this is the spot to be. Topgolf has made a modern twist on golf, making this once considered gentleman's sport accessible and fun for everyone. Now, let's talk about pricing. It starts at 130 dirhams per hour during off-peak times and goes up to 220 dirhams per hour during peak times. A bit pricey, maybe, but trust me, it's worth every dirham. Hi.
Hi.
Where are you today?
Actually, we are at Dubai Topgolf. Don't ever miss it. If you are coming to Dubai, you should visit this place. The amazing atmosphere. You will enjoy. Love it. It's Topgolf Dubai.
Topgolf is about more than just golf. It's about good food, great music, and even better company. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just here for a good time, it's a must visit.
Hello. This is all the way from Andy June Vlogs. We are at Dubai Topgolf, and we're gonna look around this area. Yes, stay tuned.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome activities in the UAE. See you in the next vlog. Take care.